Here's a carbon dating question. So there's a couple kinds of carbon in organic material. We got carbon 12, which is pretty stable, and carbon 14, which is pretty not stable, which has a half-life of 5,700. So if we wanted to find out about how old some ancient piece of material was, we measure the ratio of carbon 14 to carbon 12 and compare it to what the ratio is supposed to be for living material, which is 1 over 10 to the 12. So let's find our annual decay rate, which is lambda, for carbon 14. So we'll use that model that we used before, same thing as the PERT model, just looks a little fancier, and we're solving it for lambda. We'll use the convenient values of ending up with 1, starting with 2, e to the negative lambda, and the time frame here is 5,700 years. Solving this for lambda. Divide by 2. Take the natural log both sides. Negative 5,700 lambda. So after dividing, our lambda is natural log 1/2 divided by negative 5,700. Or, if we remembered it, we could just go straight to this formula for a decay rate, which is the natural log of 2 divided by 5,000. Look how easy that was. One step. Why don't you have this memorized yet? Anyway, let's pull up this calculator here, right here, and type this in. Natural log 2 divided by 5,700. We get this little old bitty number, and let's just go ahead and store that. Let's store it as, hey, C for carbon. That sounds good. So now whenever I need that decay rate, I'll just type in alpha C. Stay tuned for number 8 and 9.